Hi instasmile, my name's TerriAnn. I had weight loss surgery 13 years ago. The surgery went really well, but unfortunately I struggle eating, which has caused calcium deficiency, which has rotted my teeth, as you can see. I also had an accident when I was a child and I lost my tooth. So I was scrolling on the internet and I see instasmile that made products to cover your own teeth. So I thought I'd give it a go. So I ordered my instasmile products and this is how they look. You can't even tell that I have a missing tooth or anything, and my wonky teeth actually look like my wonky teeth that are already there. So thank you instasmile for putting the smile back on my face. I absolutely think they are wonderful.